Hey, what's going on? I'm Devon Holland, and today I'll be sharing with you the best 4 dumbbell exercises that'll give you size and strength on those biceps. Let's get moving. In these 4 dumbbell variations, you're gonna hit both heads of the bicep, the long head and the short head, and you're gonna get a tremendous pump. Starting off right out of the gate, we're gonna do the closed grip curls. And as you can see here, I have these weights pushed together. One thing you wanna focus on while you're doing this is maintain a full contraction and a full extension. So make sure you're stretching those arms out and make sure when you come up, you're really flexing the muscle as if you're trying to show off. Next, we're gonna do alternating curls. Now, your hands are gonna be in that supinated position the entire time. We're not rotating the wrist. We're just maintaining that supinated position. And just like the last ones, we're gonna get that full contraction. Strength is gained and size is gained through hard work and consistency. So you wanna focus on getting that full contraction and making sure that that bicep is engaged. These wide grip curls are going to be hitting the long head of the bicep, and you're going to make sure that your shoulder blades are pulled together so you're not using your delts, your anterior delt. Pull those elbows back, pull the shoulders back, and still get that full contraction. As you can see here, my hands are going behind me. That way I can get that full extension, and then as I curl up, I'm really flexing the bicep. This last one, hammer curls, this is a great one to finish off with. Your biceps are going to be pretty toast by now, and you're going to add that brachioradialis muscle, which is the bigger muscle on the forearm just below the bicep. You're going to get that full contraction. This is going to hit the long head again, so make sure that you're breathing and that you're focusing on that movement pattern. Hey, thanks for watching this entire video. If you haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel. I have more great content coming just like this. Also, if you've done some of these bicep curl exercises, let me know in the comment area which of these you like the best. Let me know which of these gave you the best pump. And until next time, let's keep moving.